Hey, we got today a BM1 LUCKVIEW baby/car pet monitoring system. This system has an IPS 1080p display, 5-inch display. The IPS stands for in-plane switching. And what that's supposed to do is let you view this thing at any angle. Well, let's open this thing up and see what's in the box. There you go. What do you got there? That's just the instructions. Bah humbug, who needs instructions? There we got a camera that mounts to the headrest. And that's the camera. It is a wired camera. It's not wireless, I guess. I thought. And the display has a mount. And okay, what is, oh, I guess that's for the headrest. It's a Velcro display. And that's an extension cable. A car adapter. And a windshield mount for the display. So that's everything in the box. So I guess next we have to do is bring this out to the car and see how everything gets together and put together, and we'll give it a try. Okay, here's a quick summary of the baby pet monitor. You just plugged it into the cigarette lighter. There's the monitor. What's cool is the pad will actually stick to just about anything. It's not just a window mount. It has a very, what do you call it, that material that so you could stick your cell phones to and stuff. It basically just sticks to anything. So I just set it on the dash and it worked. And there's the monitor, and my son's back there. The camera just mounts right on the visor. It's a quick setup. Nothing fancy, but this is it. Thanks for viewing, and any questions, comments, appreciate it.